I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start by getting both devices visible to each other. Make sure your Samsung TV supports AirPlay 2 and has the latest firmware. This enables the feature. On your iPhone or Mac, connect to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV, either 2, 4 or 5 GHz works. Once done, open Control Center on iPhone or click the AirPlay icon on your Mac. This initial step creates the network handshake you need before pairing and streaming. Now you'll enable AirPlay on the TV and complete pairing. On the Samsung TV, navigate to Settings, General, then Apple AirPlay Settings and toggle AirPlay on. This exposes the TV to your devices. Back on your iPhone or Mac, pick the Samsung TV from the AirPlay list. You'll often see a short pairing code on the TV, enter it or confirm to establish trust. Once paired, choose mirroring to mirror the screen, or pick a single app. Finish by optimizing playback and handling common issues. Use the TV remote to ensure the AirPlay input is active if you don't see audio or video. Sometimes the TV stays on a different input. If you notice lag, stutter, or dropouts, move the router closer, reduce simultaneous streaming on the network, or switch to the 5 GHz band for less interference. If problems persist, restart the TV and your device and check for firmware or OS updates. That usually clears stubborn pairing or compatibility glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.